11 of October 12:05, 12:11. Okay. I was talking to someone on the phone. Alright. Every gang's okay. Alright. Never ending. So, I have reset my phone because I tapped my phone, I hacked my phone away. What kind of shit they be doing using this technology? There's a moron. There's a moron up there hiding himself. Okay, scanning the hit. 11 of October 2021 at 12:11. Okay, electronic harassment. Okay, sorry, you don't have anybody anything else. Okay, now let's start. Okay, this display idiot. This is the thing. Okay, so imagine how much they are trying to cover up. Right, October 11, 2021.